Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you. Our A-Series product philosophy 2020 is to make innovation for everyone. Awesome is for everyone.
Hey, black pink in your area. We about to give you awesome life. Get it? Awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life.
Lasting battery life.
Awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, awesome screen, awesome screen, awesome camera, long lasting battery life.
Yeah. And I'm happy to bring to you the next awesome A-Series, the latest, the newest Galaxy A31.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to launch the most awesome Galaxy A31. Let me assure you, this device is built for you, for your needs and for your consumption. Let me introduce to you the most awesome offering of the device, the incredible 48MP quad cam that lets you shoot like a pro. Now, shooting fitness videos or recording makeup tutorials or posting an image for a sari challenge will look so much more real and lit. Shoot high resolution images and videos with the 48MP quad camera. Capture more with a much larger field of view of 123 degree with the ultimate 8MP ultra wide lens. Shoot the closest details of the object with the distinguished 5MP macro lens. There's also a 5MP depth lens to let you shoot your live focus shots. And of course, while you stay indoors, the selfie game should stay strong. The 20MP front camera lets you exactly do that. Presenting to you the 6.4 inches Full HD Plus Infinity US AMOLED display. Whether it is a popular series, or it is an old cricket match, or it's a webinar, you can lose yourself completely to screen. I'm very happy to introduce the massive 5000 mAh battery in A-Series 2020 lineup for the first time. And of course, it also comes with a 15-watt fast charging. What's good inside has to be good outside. We are carrying forward the legacy of Prism Crush from A71 and A51. Now we're introducing it in A31 in 3 stunning colors: Prism Crush Blue, Black and white. Today, personal data is critical to every smartphone. A31 comes with a 128GB internal storage with the largest expandable storage capacity of up to 512GB, practically apt for your unlimited downloads through a dedicated SD card slot. This device comes with a 6GB RAM and an octa-core processor along with the AI-powered Game Test Mind. We invented a live intelligence, your own buddy to improve your mobile experience by leaps and bounds. It offers a plethora of cool features like Smart Crop, multilingual typing, Finder and many more. At Samsung, we spent billions of dollars on R&D globally to build such cool features. Speaking of pushing the boundaries, we are happy to offer the exclusive offerings of the device. Samsung Pay, that lets you do contactless payment anywhere. Samsung Health app to make your workout regime more fun, effective and dynamic. You can also throw a fitness challenge to your friends and family apart from consuming a lot of health content on the app. Samsung Knox. At Samsung, the foundation of trust is security. While data consumption is on rise, all our devices are integrated with Samsung Knox, from software APIs going all the way into the chipsets. Users can rest easy knowing their data is safest. Why is it called defense grade? With Knox security, we deliver multi-layer security that is recognized by governments around the world. So, that was the awesome Galaxy A31 for you.
Hey, thanks for the introduction. I think those were some really exciting features. Well, this is Rupesh from bbomb.com, and a big hello to all the Samsung fans out there. And yeah, a big thank you to Samsung India for making me a part of the awesome new Galaxy A31 launch. Well, let me give to you the beautiful Galaxy A31. Well, I've been playing along with this phone for some time now, and I think this is a great value package. Well, I'm super excited to talk about it, so let's get started. As you can see, the Galaxy A31 has the same prism crush design that a lot of people like on other A series phones as well. And well, it looks great here too. This is the prism crush blue variant, but there's also the great looking white and black variants. Now, this is a design that not just looks good, but it also brings all the functionality you need. You get the headphone jack, which I'm glad about. The USB-C port is here, along with a fairly loud speaker, and unlike a lot of competing phones, the Galaxy A31 has a dedicated dual SIM plus micro SD slot compatible with up to 512 GB cards. Yep, that is awesome. Plus, you get this beautiful display. The Galaxy A31 brings an awesome screen, a 6.4-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display with the Infinity U design that looks great. I mean, it is Super AMOLED, so yes, it's bright, sharp and vibrant, and I like it a lot. It just enhances the multimedia experience you want while watching movies and shows. You get the Widevine L1 certification, so you'll be able to watch HD videos in OTT streaming platforms, which is great. Plus, there's Dolby Atmos surround sound support, so you'll get a great audio experience as well. The Super AMOLED display of the Galaxy A31 is obviously one of the big highlights, but there's also the long-lasting battery life. The Galaxy A31 comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery, which means that this phone will last long no matter how you use it. See, I use my phones extensively, and I think the Galaxy A31 should be able to handle it with ease, especially since it's paired with this efficient Super AMOLED display. The phone is also rated to offer up to 22 hours of continuous video playback, which is really good. Plus, you can always charge it quickly with the 15-watt fast charger that you get inside the box. That is great. I know the battery and the display make the Galaxy A31 an exciting new smartphone, but there's also the awesome cameras. The Galaxy A31 comes with a quad camera setup on the back. Yes, you get 4 cameras here, and these cameras combined together bring you a great camera experience. There's a 48 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 5 megapixel macro mode, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor. Samsung phones have always been great when it comes to the cameras, and the Galaxy A31 should be no exception. In fact, you should stay tuned because up next, a very talented and professional photographer is going to review these cameras. Anyway, coming back, you also get great features like HDR, the AI scene optimizer, which now has support for 30 different scenes, and you get different modes like food, panorama, live focus mode, and more. Going on to the front, you get a high resolution 20 megapixel selfie camera, and it's got all the interesting features like the live focus mode, filters, and beauty effects, so the selfie should be crisp and nice. Anyway, awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life of course, but there's more to this phone. The Galaxy A31 is powered by the MediaTek 6768 octa-core processor with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, which should result in solid performance as well as great gaming, especially since there's also the much enhanced game booster on board. On the software front, the Galaxy A31 comes with the latest One UI 2.1 on top of Android 10. So you get all the great One UI features, including the Samsung Health app, Samsung Pay with rewards in tow, AR emojis, focus mode, Knox security, and more. There are also the Alive intelligence features that focuses on the Make for India initiative, like the Smart Crop, the Useful Cards in Messages app, the Finder, and the multilingual keyboard. Well, all in all, the Galaxy A31 seems like a great value package deal from Samsung, and if you want to check out a detailed unboxing, just head to our channel on YouTube. Having said that, don't go anywhere because like I said, up next we have a really talented and famous photographer who will be reviewing the awesome quad cameras on the Galaxy A31. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on that one.
Hi everyone, my name is Shaz Jung and thank you Team Samsung. Over the past few months, I've been exploring various photographic projects with the S20 Ultra. But today, given the current situation, I cannot go into the forest. However, I have the Galaxy A31 and I cannot wait to explore my surroundings with this phone. Stay tuned. The 4 cameras at the back offer 4 fun perspectives to explore. The main camera packs 48 megapixels with 3 other cameras that offer depth, macro and ultra-wide modes. Let's test these out. I was blown away by the normal camera mode and the depth I was able to achieve using the Pro settings. Here's a photograph of a tiger butterfly and I absolutely loved the details and how easy it was to make the subject stand out against the backdrop. I tweaked the exposure to accentuate the shadows and play of light and adjusted the white balance to add some warmth. The ultra-wide mode significantly expands your view, allowing you to capture more of the scene. This picture of the sun setting over the lake was now dramatic, but I had the ability to go wider and capture the moon and the approaching darkness. The option to expand your view allows your photos to now tell a story. The wider frame shows that the night is near and will soon engulf the last of the sunset. Here's a photograph of a beautiful wolf snake in my garden. I enjoyed playing with the live focus mode and adjusting the level of blur to make the subject stand out. The flexibility to tweak the strength of the blur after the photograph has been taken really allows you to create the right mood and setting. I absolutely love the quad camera setup on the Galaxy A31. Each of the 4 cameras offers me the chance to capture unique perspectives. The live focus mode allows you to control the strength of the blur, which really brings your subject into focus. The ultra wide mode enables you to zoom out and bring more of the frame into focus, which is great for storytelling. These modes really allowed me to capture the 3 pictures that you saw, and I hope to explore my surroundings more with this phone. It's a wrap from my side, but now it's time to experience some very unique features from the Galaxy A31 from a Samsung member himself.
See, like I had fun using AR Doodle. Then there is another cool feature called Alive Intelligence, and it's super fun, guys. Useful Card stores similar type of messages together. For instance, messages like doctor appointments and bill payments are stored together, and other messages like discounts and promotions are stored separately, so you don't miss up on anything. Also,
Here is the next Galaxy A, the new Galaxy A31 that will let you discover the world differently. You can own yours at just $21,999. The device is available across retail outlets, Samsung Opera House, Samsung.com, bnow.com and other online portals.